Sitting behind me is 310 Forrest Park Rd, Madison, Tennessee. This is one of our personal listings. Full renovation to the studs. For updated price and everything like that, check the details below or reach out. So we're sitting at right under 1,700 square feet. Owners or primary suite upstairs, open concept downstairs with 2 bedrooms as well. One of the larger homes in the area and one of the bigger lots as well. Let's check it out. In the kitchen, you're going to find some nice granite countertops. Also included will be a stainless steel range and dishwasher. Also notice the stainless steel range hood. Featuring a large utility closet for your washer dryer, also doubled up as a pantry. Downstairs, you'll find the 2 symmetrical bedrooms, ceiling fans in both. A full downstairs bathroom, conveniently located. Heading on upstairs, you will find the primary suite. In the bathroom, notice the individual vanities, so no arguing over who's using what counter space. And that's topped with a nice walk-in shower. Primary closet has been left open for your custom shelving desires. If you have a friend that might be interested in this property, please do them a favor and share this video with them. Otherwise, that is all. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.